Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in the last video, we did start the chapter and the name of the chapter is Change in Profit Sharing Ratio. Right? In the last video, we actually learned about the basic of the chapter and we also solved few practical problems based upon the sacrificing ratio and gaining ratio. Right? I hope that video is clear to you. Now we are going to take few more questions based upon the sacrificing and the gaining ratio because that is very important. Right? So in this video, I'll make sure you have a better understanding about the two. Right? So without wasting any time, let's get started. So let's read the question together. A, B and C were in a partnership sharing profits in the ratio of 4:3:1. The partners agreed to share future profits in the ratio of 5:4:3. Calculate each partner's gain and sacrifice due to change in ratio. Right? So how I have told you to solve the question. First of all, you have to write what is given in the question. Right? So as we can see, there are three partners, partner A, B and C. And their old ratio was, it is given 4:3:1. 4:3:1. Now talking about the new ratio, it is given 5:4:3. Right? So the new ratio is 5:4:3. So it is very clear by seeing the two ratios that their new ratio is more than your old ratio. What does it mean? The partners are gaining, right? So what does it mean? It means as there is a change in the profit sharing ratio, the partners gain their share, right? So what you have to do, you have to simply apply the formula of gaining ratio. I hope you remember I have told you in the last video. So the formula of gaining ratio is new ratio minus old ratio. Simple. Now write for the partner A, their new ratio is 5/12 minus 4/8. Right? Similarly for B, it is coming out to be 4/12 minus 3/8. And for C, it is coming out to be 3/12 minus 1/8. Right? So when you will solve the equation, you will get the answer. So the answers that you are getting is minus 2/24, right? Then minus 1/24 and the last 3/24. This is what you are getting. Now we know that in the last video I have told you whenever you solve the equation using your gaining ratio and the answer comes in minus, that means the minus one are sacrificing and the positive one is gaining. Right? I repeat, whenever we talk of gaining ratio, in the gaining ratio जो value आपकी positive होती है वो gaining होता है partner. Right? In this case your C partner is gaining और जो बाकी के दो negative values आई है आपके इस question में वो है sacrificing. So how you are going to conclude the question? You are going to write as per the calculation, partner A sacrificed how much? 2/24. Right? Share. Similarly, B sacrificed 1/24 share. And lastly, C gained 3/24 share. So this is how you have to conclude the answer. So this is the answer of this question. We got that the partner A and partner B sacrificed their share and partner C gained his share, right? So now we are going to take one more question in which it will be much more clear to you. Now this is clear to you. Now let's take one more question in which you will be more clear, right? So let's take another question. Okay, so the next question that we are going to solve is, I'm going to put the question on the screen. Read with me. Mahesh, Naresh and Om were partners sharing profit in the ratio of 2:3:4. With effect from 1st January 2003, they agreed to share profits in the ratio of 1:2:3. Calculate each partner's gain or sacrifice due to change in ratio. So how you are simply going to solve the question? First of all, you are going to write what is given. In the question, the partner name is Mahesh, Naresh, and Om. So you can write the short. So the old ratio was 2 is to 3 is to 4. 2 is to 3 is to 4, and the new ratio is 1 is to 2 is to 3. Right? So what are you going to do next step? So the next step that you are going to do is simply going to calculate your either a gaining ratio or a sacrificing ratio. Now you tell me, in this case it will be a sacrificing or a gaining. So as you can see, your old ratio is more than your new ratio. That means the partners are sacrificing. तो आप सिंपल sacrificing ratio का फॉर्मूला लगा दोगे. The formula of the sacrificing ratio is the old ratio minus new ratio. Right? Now let's solve the question for M and O. Right? So the new ratio was 3/9 and the new ratio is 1/6. Right? Well, this is 3/9, 2/6, 4/9 minus 3/6. Now when you will solve these small equations, you will get your answer 1/18. Right? Here you will get nothing when you will solve the equation, and lastly you are getting 1/18. So minus 1/18. So in the equation of sacrificing ratio, so when comes to the sacrificing ratio, the positive value means the partners are sacrificing and negative value means that the partners are gaining. So in this equation, the partner O is gaining and the Mahesh is sacrificing. So how you are going to compute the answer as per the equation? Right? Mahesh and Om. Mahesh sacrificed and Om gained. Right? Now the further you have to write. So I am giving you this as a homework. You have to complete the equation, and this is how you have to solve the questions based upon your sacrificing and the gaining ratio. So this is it for this video. I wanted to take few more questions in order to make it clear to you how you have to solve the question. Now in the description